Hi, welcome to the journey of building a Python-like interpreter with me. So I will start building a Python-like interpreter. What does Python-like? Because in the implementation, I will replace some syntax with my custom ones. I will not use the indentation to delimit the block of code in Python to make the tokenizer more easy. Why would I like to implement Python interpreter rather than web coding? Perhaps web coding is more fun, but from my perspective, I think implement interpreter for programming language or implement building compiler is more fun. One of the most fun programming exercise, and web coding cannot teach anything to me. So I have building a small simple interpreters before with Java and Golang by learning crafting interpreters, and I have learned a lot and learned the basic working logic under the programming languages, and know a little bit about how the source code was being turned into token and then passed into abstract syntax tree, and evaluated the tree. So for this series of videos about building a Python-like interpreter, I want to do it more seriously and to reduce the unnecessary complexity, design the syntax. I just use the Python syntax and focus on the process of implement the interpreter. So my plan is start from the syntax design. There is actually not too much to design because we use a Python syntax only to replace a small bit of the syntax. Then we will implement the tokenizer to split the source code into tokens. And after get the tokens, next step is parsing the tokens into the abstract syntax tree. After we have built the tree, there will be a semantic analysis step to which may check the tree and to validate if the tree have correct syntax, correct semantics, like the type of the argument, the number of argument is consistent with the defined function. After that, we will go into the evaluation step, which will work the abstract syntax tree node and recursively evaluate the tree and get the final result. After evaluation, there will be one more step to optimize the interpreter's speed by introduce a bytecode virtual machine. So bytecode virtual machine is more faster than working the syntax tree. So I will implement the bytecode virtual machine for the interpreter, and that's the whole plan. If you are interested about how a general interpreter works, I think you can follow with me, join this journey.